Right now, millions of people are still waiting to start investing, while others are already getting paid every single month. The difference? Just 5 ETFs, and most people never even hear about them. No side hustle, no extra work. I'll show you exactly how to build it with $200 a month. Everyone thinks you need a lot of money to start. That's wrong. $200 a month, 5 ETFs, 15 years, $500 a month, forever. Let me show you how. Each one does something completely different, but together they create one thing: monthly cash flow on autopilot. Let's get into it. This is the one most people underestimate: SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Boring name, boring ticker. That's the point. SCHD doesn't chase hype. It owns 100 of the most reliable dividend-paying companies in America. Think Coca-Cola, Pfizer, Verizon. Current yield, around 3.7%. But here's what matters more. SCHD has grown its dividend every single year for over a decade. That means your cash flow goes up, even when you're not adding money. In your portfolio, SCHD is the foundation, the rock. Slow, boring, powerful. Now this one doesn't get talked about enough. VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. VYM holds over 500 dividend-paying companies. More diversification, more stability. Current yield, around 3%. Lower than SCHD, but Vanguard's management is bulletproof, and the fees are some of the lowest in the industry. Here's what most people miss. SCHD and VYM overlap, but not completely. Together, they give you over 600 companies getting you paid. That's not diversification, that's armor. This is what keeps your income stable, even when everything else isn't. Now this is where things start to feel different. JEPI, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. JEPI owns S&P 500 stocks, but it also sells covered calls. Covered calls are contracts that generate extra cash, and JEPI passes that cash directly to you every single month. Current yield, around 7 to 8%, every single month. Not quarterly, not yearly, monthly. For someone building passive income, monthly money coming in changes everything. You see results faster, you stay motivated, you keep going. This is the moment your portfolio stops being an idea and starts putting money in your pocket. And this is exactly where most people mess this up. They pick one ETF, go all in, and kill the entire system. Same idea, but with a twist most people miss. JEPQ. Same JP Morgan management as JEPI. Same covered call strategy. But this one is built on the NASDAQ 100 instead of the S&P 500. More tech exposure, more growth potential, and an even higher yield, around 9 to 10%. SCHD gives you stability. JEPI gives you cash flow. JEPQ gives you cash flow with a growth engine underneath. Now you're not just getting paid, you're building income that compounds on itself. And last, QQQI, the NEOS NASDAQ 100 High Income ETF. Newer, less talked about, but paying some of the highest yields you'll find anywhere, around 12%. Here's the catch. High yield means higher risk. QQQI uses option strategies to generate that income. In down markets, it can drop more than the others. So in your portfolio, QQQI plays one specific role. It's the engine, the income accelerator, not the foundation. Use it, don't overweight it. This is what speeds everything up, but only if you respect the risk. Most people try to grow their money first. This strategy pays you first and grows second. That's the difference, and that's why it works. And this is where it stops sounding simple and starts getting real. Now, the part everyone actually wants to know. $200 a month. How long until $500 a month? You split $200 evenly, $40 into each ETF, every single month, without fail. You reinvest every dividend you receive. Every dollar goes back in. Your broker can automate this. It's called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Here's what happens. Year 1, your portfolio is worth around $2,500. You're earning roughly $15 a month in dividends. Feels small. That's normal. Year 5, $16,000 in your portfolio. $93 a month getting paid. You can feel it working. Year 10, $43,000. $251 a month. And this is where most people quit, right before it starts accelerating. Year 15, $95,000. $554 a month. Forever. That's not a fantasy. That's math. $200 a month. 15 years. $554 a month. Every single month. For the rest of your life. Most people think investing pays you later. This system starts paying you before you even notice it growing. Your job takes 40 hours a week. These 5 ETFs work 24/7. And the longer you leave them, the harder they work. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I can't even save $200 a month. Here's the truth. Start with $50. Start with $100. Even $50 in the right ETFs beats $0 in the wrong ones. The number doesn't matter as much as the habit. Consistency beats everything. Get started. Adjust the amount as your income grows. 5 ETFs, 1 system, 1 outcome. SCHD for the foundation. VYM for the armor. JEPI and JEPQ for monthly cash flow. QQQI for the income engine. $200 a month, 15 years, $500 a month, forever. If you had to pick one of these 5, which one are you starting with today? Comment it below. If you want to build income that pays you every month, whether you work or not, subscribe. This